Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw a Deadpool skull. Alright, so let's do it. It's going to be easy and for beginners. So right now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line kind of like for the mask of Deadpool. It's going to be pulling up. Kind of like that dark part of the mask. Go over here on this side. And go to the other dark part of the mask. It's going to be pulled up over the nose. Curve right here. And by the way, let me know what you guys think about the video in general. Give me some ideas for future videos I'm still posting here through the year. Line, curve for the actual eye, curve underneath. Line over here for the eye on this side. Right on. Line over here, line over here. Let's go to the skull area right here for the nasal cavity right there, and we're going to pull that line and fill that nasal bone in. Going to go over here on this side. Don't worry, we're almost done. Stay with me. Curve over here. Line down. Line down over here, pull down over here. You see the mask is kind of rolled up on the side right there. If you're a supporter of the channel, you've been here for a while, go to the main website at sketchmonsterart.com. I'll put the link in the description, but if you're a supporter, absolutely go to the link below pretty much and check out the store. There's a lot of cool stuff there. There's a lot of free stuff there too. We're gonna go over here to the, the part of the what do you call it? The tooth cylinder. Line right there. Down over here for the back of the jaw, and then the bottom row of teeth right there. We're just kind of like drawing like a wiggly line in order to kind of make a shortcut for us. Down over here. Chin area, kind of a squared off chin, pulling up. And then right here, kind of where the teeth meet the jaw, right there, okay? Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. Those really help out for the channel. And I want you to start requests. I want to hear kind of what you have to say. It's fun. Like I said, it's absolutely, this stuff is a blast to do. So line for the row of teeth right there, splitting up teeth on this side. And now we're going to go to the top over here. And then kind of the row of teeth right here, we're connecting them to the bottom. So something we really want to do is, now that we have the teeth there, so it doesn't look like it's just on the surface, we're going to draw some thin, like little small lines right here. Like the bone is being pushed out, right? Like it's like the gum line. Kind of around the actual teeth. Line over here. Over here on this side. We're going to fill in the area between the teeth over here. There we go. Line over here. Curve. And for the actual Deadpool mask, we're gonna have to fill this in right here for the dark part, right? We have to. I was kind of like debating on not doing it, but I'm like, we gotta fill this area in. Otherwise, it's not gonna look quite like Deadpool. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna tell you like a small little story. I think for me, I started drawing very late, and it was always a really tough time to kind of get my mind into it. So the one thing I did more than anything else that really helped me out in terms of drawing is to actually kind of just relax and don't put pressure on myself. And that's what I recommend for anybody here learning to draw. Don't put any pressure on yourself to draw. You're just having a fun time. And this stuff is really fun to do. And you're kind of lucky to be sitting there and just kind of go, hey, it's fun to try this out, and never put any pressure on yourself to do better, faster. There's ways to do that, but you're just going to make drawing a miserable experience for yourself if you do that. So let's go over here, line, line. So I recommend just trying to keep the fun in it. So right here, we're drawing little thin lines right here for detail, like little fold of the mask. Lines over here, the side of the jaw. Line right here, line right here. Line over here. Line over here. Pulling up. Just throwing in these little thin like detail lines, and they're going to be thinner than every other line. By the way, really at the end right here, so let me just close it out and I will, but like every little thin line right here will give it a little bit more of a believability. You have to be careful though, because you can't put too many lines, right? Like every line I put over here, like that'll be like a shadow, right? It's a mask, the mask is laying on top of here. But these little lines, they make it more believable to the viewer. And, I want to thank you very much. Share the video if you can, because the channel is, a seasonal channel. So I'm going to be posting, like I said, twice a week. Kind of got lazy on that for a second, but I'm going to post once or twice a week. So absolutely, what I want you to do is go check out the shop and support the channel. And I want to thank you very much, okay? Also, you can see the community page. I'm going to be posting on there still. So talk to you very soon. And, well, actually, one last thing. I'm going to give you one last little tip right here. Sometimes if you want to ground your drawing, and this will work for any drawing, sometimes if you want to ground your drawing, you can draw like a thicker line, either all around the border or just whatever is aiming downward. So let's just say this is aiming downward, this is aiming downward, maybe just over here. I'm going to hop over here. And it gives it like this illusion of, shadow. This illusion of shadow. So you want to kind of keep that up. But that's it. All right. That's it. Thank you so much. And stay with me for the next drawing lesson, okay? Stay right there. Let's do another drawing lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.